game time. It's game time. Oh, brother. Oh no. Okay. I need to recalibrate myself, bro. I haven't done this in a while. Forgot how this shit tasted. It's been a long time. Okay, so is the camera blurry? No, right, it's good. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Everything's good. Okay. Okay, so wise man once said, I'm not doing shit, so at least make a fucking game. So here we are. Wait, I'm not here yet. Wait. One second. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Here we are. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I need a game plan. I need to do something. Okay, so wait, let me show you some stuff, yeah? I've done few ideations and we'll look through it, okay? Yeah. Yep. This is pretty minimal, but look at the fucking transition. Sure. Fuck. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is it's ideation for yeah, the game. So yeah, we had a couple of options, to work with. Could either go with a mobile game or a PC game, and it was decided that I'll be going for a PC game. If it's a PC game, it could be 2D or 3D, and I decided that I didn't decide. Okay. So if it is a 2D game, I wanted to do something with pixel art. I've thought about doing pixel art for a long time, but I've never done it. So yeah, if it's 2D game, then I thought about pixel art, and if it's 3D game, I wanted to do something related to speed running something. Just your game itself is based on speed running, so like you have couple of levels, and whoever does it the fastest. It's not whoever does it first, but whoever does it the fastest. Uh, Something similar to Trackmania, if you know what I'm talking about. And another great idea. This is free money, bro. This idea is free money. If you can somehow achieve this thing, if you can somehow, just magically, if you can achieve it, if you can make Trackmania in mobile, that's just free money, bro. The most freest money you'll ever see. If you can achieve this, a mobile game Trackmania, obviously it's not, it doesn't have to be extremely similar to Trackmania, but like the concept and everything, and you turn it into a mobile game with gyro, where you can drive like this, brother. That's an instant jackpot with infinite cash. That's like the most freest idea that I could ever give. Yeah, but I'm not going for this. This is a really good idea. But yeah, it's a huge project. This is a huge project. Not that the other things will be easier, or what I'm about to do is going to be easy, but this is going to be a huge project. This is going to be like a couple of years project, which is no. But it's a sure hit. If you can achieve this, it's a super massive hit. Yeah. And another thing I wanted to do was life. What is life? Life is about me. Yeah. I wanted to make a game about myself from since when I was a fetus to now, to up till now, like all the experiences, like all in your life you have these chapters, and you have these key moments in your chapters, and you have this key realizations, and you just have these situations and like things that like really hit you in your life, and I just wanted to turn that into a game, which would perpetually increase as my life goes on. But that is also a very abstract idea that I wanted to do, but it is not it's good. It's a good concept, it's a good idea, but I'm not sure if it would work right now. Probably not right now. Yeah, like it's really good, and it's like a open-ended problem statement where you do not know where the end is, and there's no example for it. There's nothing that you can relate it to or anything like that. So it's a bit of a more tougher task, a more, not, it's not tough, but it's like a confusing task where you'll not know if what you're doing is correct or wrong. You're just making your life and you're turning it into a game in some format, right? Could be 3D, 2D. In some way you're turning parts of your life into a game, but is the way you're turning it, is it good or bad? There are no examples for it. You can't quote a game and say this is how they made it, so this is how I'm supposed to make it, or anything like that. So it's a bit ambiguous. So I just I kind of ignored that part. So this is one of the ideas that I wanted to do. So yeah, we're just going to cross that off, because one thing is it's very niche, which I don't care about. It's a niche thing because it's my life, right? So it's not like you can relate to it, but I don't care about that. But it's just that it's not a fun thing to solve right now. So so yeah, that's gone. Now the third one, I had a couple more ideas, which are like just small stuff, um, not 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 good, not shooting for the stars. Just like I'll be able to do it, but it's like a boring problem where like how to do it, you just have to do it. That's it. Which is also fine, but I'm not in the mood for that. I'm in the mood for something inspirational. I'm in the mood for something fun. Yeah. So I had one of the best ideas, not best ideas. I had a really good idea where you use ODM. What's ODM? ODM is comes from AOT. If you know ODM, then you should know AOT, and if you know AOT, then you should know ODM. Yeah. ODM is omnidirectional movement gear, so it's ODM gear. So comes from Attack on Titan, and we're going to use this concept. We are not inspired by it. There's going to be no relation to Attack on Titan, so this is like a no. We're just going to use this. We're just going to use the concept of ODM and make it as mechanically fun as possible. When you look at the way the ODM works, it is really good, but to make it work in the way that it looks is really hard. To be precise, like if you had an actual ODM gear with you and you try to use it in real life, it would not work the way they show it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure when we do this, you're not supposed to make it realistic. So if you make it realistic, I'm pretty sure it'll be a failure. Like you're not supposed to use the actual gravity, you're not supposed to use the actual weight of your of your player, the velocity or the way it slows down or things like that. If you do that, I'm pretty sure it'll be very bad to play. Not very bad, it just won't feel good. But if you make it a little bit more mechanical, a little bit more viscous, in my imagination, it's just imagination, right? All of this is just imagination. When I imagine a mobile version of Trackmania, that shit is insane. That is one of the best ideas you could ever have. It is free, bro. It is so free. If you do that, you have the top performing app on the Play Store if you do that. But yeah, see, when you imagine, it's really good. And the same way, when you imagine making a game about your life, it is very good. It just sounds very good, and when you think about it, it's just good. Like you get just random ideas, and you're putting it together in your mind, and it feels good. And the same thing goes for this, where if you just imagine the way the ODM works, it should not be very realistic. It should be just it should be a little bit of unrealistic in terms of velocity and acceleration. I'm pretty sure if you think about it in a specific way, it is amazing. And what I wanted to do was same ODM movement. It's going to be a movement based game, but you'll be speed running it. So it'll be a time based movement game. Yeah, So this is what I am thinking about, but not exactly not sure. I am pretty sure, but like I'm not exactly fixed on how it's going to be. So this is the idea that I have: an ODM based movement system with a time attack slash speed running format of a game, so basically, like, you'll have levels, and I'm thinking of all the possibilities. You should be able to make levels. You'll have just standard levels, and then you should be able to speed run it. Obviously there should be a leaderboard, and probably a little bit of networking stuff if possible. But in either way, the main problem statement here is achieving that movement. So to put it in perspective, where the ODM AOT okay, so put it in perspective. See, to do this movement, obviously it's extremely exaggerated and like really well made here, but to do this, it is hard. To give all this control to a person with a fucking mouse and a keyboard, it is hard. It is quite hard, especially if you have like if the mouse has like these side buttons and stuff, then I guess you could do more, but not everyone is going to have that. So the number of controls in this is too high. So the main problem statement is like, if you can achieve this movement somehow, like simulate it, or like get it as close as possible where you have the entire control of what an actual human body would have, then I think you kind of achieved a really good result. And once you've got that movement perfect, you could do n number of things with it, bro. You could make party games with it, you could play football with it, you could probably give guns and shoot each other with it. Like, imagine this movement plus shooting, and there's just so many things. But the main problem statement here is getting this movement right. That's probably the most hardest part. We'll see how it goes. There's a fuck. Okay, so there's there's some things that we need to figure out, but apart from that, I think we can just get started with some basic movement. There's some issues, right? Like it's not explainable now because I know the issues in my head. I can't just explain it because it's Like I know that if I do this is going to pop up. This is going to be the issue with respect to rotation. I know this is going to be the issue. So like no, I need to think through this thing. So yeah, I think as we keep going through going through some of the development, I think we should start getting into pace and see some changes. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do now is yeah, close this. um okay, I think I need to clean up my PC in some free time. Ah. What the fuck, bro? Delete this shit. There goes that. Okay, fine. Okay, I just have to log in some stuff. Give me a minute. Okay, we'll see what Unity version I have because it's been a long ass fucking time. Okay, not bad. I have 2022. 2022 is not bad. Okay. So here's your Unity hub. So let's just do this. We might go through a couple of projects here because it doesn't always work in the first project, right? Like you're gonna fuck up something in the first project, and I'm very very happy that recently I've been working on a lot of VR projects, VR, AR, and shit like that. So every time you open a project, you have to like, what the fuck? No. Okay, so every time you start a VR project or something like that, you have to set up the project with some bullshit. You have to download Oculus, or you have to download Google's AR and VR kit, and bro, that is a pain in the ass. Thankfully for PC you don't have to do much. Okay, so Asus game dev. Nah, brother. Let's go to the okay, let's do this here. Okay, what do we call it? Let's just call it ODM, bro. ODM, that's it. Yeah, that should be good. ODM is not a bad name. Okay, I guess whatever. I guess it should be called ODM. Good. Okay. We'll see what we can do for now. I think we should be able to do just some basic shit. Maybe just for the left hand or the right hand, or maybe both. Okay, yeah, we'll see. We'll just make a very basic hook and grab mechanic, which is probably like shit. Yeah, I think fine-tuning the physics, and yeah, I think that'll be the hardest part, working with rope physics and stuff like that. That'll probably be the hardest part. Yeah. Assets, I'm not sure. I haven't thought of any environment or what the map is going to be like. How the game is going to look, I haven't thought at all. I want like I want like a map which is like which has a lot of verticality, but also like it should be like a random, you know. There should be like there should be no ground floor. Like you should not identify what is a ground floor or what is the top floor, or if you're in the air, or if there is, or you can fall down more, or there should just be random platforms and pillars and just, you know, just a jagged maze, but not too dense also. It should be a bit farther apart so that you can probably like maneuver through it. I'm just brainstorming, bro. No clue. We'll think about it. Okay. It's loading some stuff. Okay, it's loading not some stuff, it's loading a lot of fucking stuff. Stuff that I didn't ask for. You beach. Okay, so first things first, now that you can see the screen, we need to do some stuff, bro. Preferences, general, 2D physics, profiler, editor. Is there an editor somewhere? Wait, is this a 2D project? No. Project settings. Okay, is there a editor? Okay. Default behavior mode 3D. Okay, I'm just looking for okay, this in preferences. Edit preferences, general, editor font. Oh fuck. This is disgusting. We don't like light. Let's go dark. Ah yes. This is what you like to see. Yeah, okay. So that's the first thing. So we have our shitty sample scene. So we'll just do a quick testing. Yeah, it's just quick snap of the finger things. Yeah, I'm just by the way, this keyboard is really absolutely shit for coding, because it doesn't have arrow keys, and you have to hit function and then some keys for few things to work. So like page up, page down, left, right, insert, delete, all the F keys. That shit you cannot do with this dog shit keyboard, but I need to change my keyboard. But gaming is good because it's really small. Okay, so let's just make a let's just do a 10 by 10. Yeah, so you just have a random platform here. Let's also make our player, which is just a fucking bean, bro. Bean. We love bean. Yep, this is us. There you go. This is indeed us. Okay, I think I need to do I reduce my shit? Does it make any sense to reduce my shit, or do I just oh fuck? I think it should be fine, right? It doesn't matter that much. I don't think so. It should. Okay, we'll see if I'm missing something or anything like that. Yeah, or maybe it should be down. Maybe bottom right is a really good choice, bro. Wait, let me just give me 1 second. Bottom right is yeah, I think this should be better. You can see more stuff. Yeah, this should be better. They should be better. Okay, so you have a bean, right? Obviously we're going to be using a lot of ChatGPT. Not a lot, because you can't really make games with ChatGPT, especially if you're using Unity or things like that. That's not how it works. But you can like ask doubts and stuff, and it works good. ChatGPT is good to clear your doubts, bro. There's for you. Okay. Well, okay. Let's just do something on our own. I don't think it should matter much. Okay, so camera is there, right? Okay. Camera is there. The beam is there. So let's place our camera in the beam because it's going to be first person. In case I didn't, because it's part of my imagination. I didn't really tell you that, but it's going to be first person. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. That's your eyes, bro. The beam has got his eyes. Okay. So this is exactly what you're seeing. This is your beam. Okay, that's us. So now, so do we? Okay. Now let's just keep that guy separate. Let's just keep that guy separate. Okay, so main camera is separate. We're just going to have a random controller, or like what controller is it? What are you controlling? Okay, yeah. Player control. We're going to add a script to it. Oh fuck. Player look around. I think it's just too long, but it's just testing purposes for now. So yeah, let's just edit the script. So this script is basically going to control your camera in a way where you'll be able to look around. That's it. That's it, bro. It's very simple. Yeah, it's pretty good damn simple. Just make a public variable. You can probably just access your main camera through. Your main camera is probably already public, but just why not? Because I think you can do camera dot main. Yeah, I think you can just use this. Does this have transform? Yeah, it does have transform. It's like you can probably just use this, and you don't need this, but it's okay. I think both of them should work fine. Dot transform dot. Okay, so this is where your ChatGPT comes in, yeah. So okay, so so you have two. You have two, yeah. So this is your camera. You can do up and you can do left. So you can do up and left. You can do right and that. So you can do this, yeah, but you can't do this. With the mouse, you can only do. You can go up. You can see up. You can see left. You can see up and left. You can see up and right. You can see down and right. But you can't twist and see with your mouse. That is, yeah. Or maybe maybe no. The mouse input itself is just X and Y. You can't. The mouse input is, you can't like twist your mouse. You don't get that input. Fuck, man. Ah, shit. That would be really nice though. Like, imagine if you can just twist your mouse and that would be an input. You can probably do it with a pen. If you had a pen tablet as an input, you can probably like twist your pen and get an output, but mouse you just can't. Mouse just has X and Y. Okay. Okay, so okay, return to mouse rotation equal to 0 and okay, so you need your x-axis and your y-axis, which is input dot get axis. Okay. Mouse rod dot y equal to, oh fuck, wait, this needs to be outside. Equal to input dot get axis. So you can see this axis. Ding 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 ding. So you can see something like this. So it's input dot get axis mouse X, and then you just get input dot get axis mouse Y. That's pretty much it. This is basically what it does. Performs a mouse look. Yeah. I think you should just be able to do this, or it just work the same way, bro. So you do mouse X, right? And this will go for X. This is Y. This is Y. This is X because you're using your mouse. Y is up, right? Up and down. And in Unity the rotation is X. I think so. So there's your x-axis. Okay, we'll just test it out. We can just flip it out. I think it's the same thing. Okay, so main cam dot transform dot Euler angle is equal to, oh, okay. Mouse rod into, so we'll have a rotation sensitivity, right? So float, let's just make this public, float and rod speed equal to 1f for now. Just do rod speed. This should work, or this should work. I think both should work. Let's just see. We put this guy in there. We do this. Something is happening. Something is happening. What if we put it in 10? Oh, bro. Blood is dying, bro. Blood is dying. Yeah. It's progress. I'm pretty sure it's because we're using Euler angles. It's a bit hard to explain, but it involves something called as gimbal lock, where basically there are multiple forms of representation for a rotation, which like confuses computations in few ways. So therefore, like, your rotation goes back and forth. Sometimes that's usually why you use something called quaternion. I think this should work. This should just work fine, no? So you have y in the first. Okay, so comma 0. Wait, what does rotate do? Okay, it's space. Okay. Cool. We'll see how this works. Okay, this is not working at all. What if we do 10? Is it even? I don't think it's working. Yeah, this is not working. But why not? Oh, fuck. Fuck me in my nuts. Whoop. Yo, buddy. Yo, hey. No, don't. Hey. Yo, homie. Yup. But this kid is drunk as the fuck. No kizzy. I'm just trying to stabilize myself. Okay. I think something is supposed to do minus. We'll see. Now it works better. Still, it's a bit wonky and weird, but it works. Oh shit, it's very wonky. Okay, good. So this is what we're looking at. Pretty sure it should work the same way. I mean, it's basically the same thing, but batch. Ding. Import error. Shut your bitch ass up. This is probably why you need to go through a lot of projects. You just get these random errors where you just cannot fix them, boof. Brother. We'll just see how this works. If this does not work, then we'll need to make something ourselves. Yeah, this does not work. This is okay. This is moving relative to self. Ah, I see. What if we do world and give this a minus? Hey yo, homie. Hey, what the fuck? Hey. What the fuck was that, bro? So wait, what do you specify here? Yo, does it not tell me what the fuck this is? Shit, man. Can you just do what do you do? Transform that to rotate. Yeah, okay. Related to okay. Located again relative to the scene in world space. Okay, space.self, space.world. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Space.self. What's the issue here? To float, what the fuck? Yo. Okay, we'll see how this behaves. Okay, this behaves like the same wonky stuff, right? It's still a big of a wonk. It's doing the wonk, bro. We don't need this wonk. Look at it, bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? We don't need this wonk. So what if we do Varalde? Let's see how this behaves. Hey, nope. This is also doing a wonk, bro. What the fuck, son? Homie, don't do a wonk. Yo, this is doing major wonks, bro. This is wonkier than the first one. Okay, so one thing what you can do is, instead of doing all this bullshit, you can probably just manually do it yourself, which is probably like transform dot what we were doing last, right? Euler angles, not Euler angles, transform dot rotation equal to what is that? But you're getting get access, bro. What the fuck is get access? Okay, wait. Get access gives you an absolute value, right? Okay, let's try. No. Okay. Quaternion dot Euler. Let's do b comma minus h comma 0. What is bro saying? What is bro saying? He's not saying much. Bro is not saying much. He's doing the same issue. He's doing the same issue. Wow. Okay. It's doing that because of what? Oh, it's probably doing that because of main cam dot. Oh shit, let me transform here. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Ruler angles dot x plus. No, I think this will get fucked. This will get majorly fucked. This is going to get majorly fucked. Just watch. Just watch him do a wonk. Wait, what? It's not doing a wonk. It's doing the perfect C. Look. It is doing the perfect C. It's not doing a wonk. Oh my god. I'm a genius. You just need to I guess do a minus here, or do we do this? I need to test it again. I need to test and calibrate my mouse to my brain. I'm going down and it's going up. Fuck. Yeah, I'm going right, is going right. I'm going left, is going left. I'm going up, is going down. So I just need to this. Come on, come on. Yes, brother. Just give it a 2. Now we're looking around, bro. Isn't that simple? Now see, we're able to look around. No, do stuff. Yup, it works perfectly. There's no wonk. This is a wonkless behavior. This how you do a wonkless rotation. Don't look at the documentation. Follow me. Okay, so now that this is done, we can do a couple more stuff now. I'm just wondering if I want to do it now. And always bloody always keep your project tidy, bro. The last thing you want is a dirty fucking project. Nobody likes you if you have a dirty fucking project. Your project should be clean. So yeah, this was that. Yeah, so now basically your you see here, so basically your camera is rotating with respect to your mouse, so you're just looking around. But beware, your bean is not rotating, it's just your camera. Yeah, coolio. This just works perfect. Obviously while you do this it gets fucked, but because that's a separate issue that we'll take care. Okay, because anyway we don't want people to be looking up and down the entire time, so there's a cheap fix to it. Okay, so yeah, now that we're able to do this, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now that we're able to do this, so we'll have a couple of things. So let's just say, yeah, we just have a cube that is 10 blocks high. Yeah, it's 10 blocks high and it is somewhere on that side. Yeah, okay, let's just do -5 and 14 15. Okay, so we have that. So basically our bean should be able to look around, shoot something and grab it. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is the pillar, and let's turn this to 2. Yeah, so bean should be able to look over there and then shoot, grab onto it and reel himself in. That's the next task. But can we do it now, or do I just close it off? So basically you have to use raycast. There's something called raycast, which basically shoots a ray, a virtual laser from your screen. So this is your screen. So from here it shoots, from the center of the screen it shoots a virtual laser to wherever you're looking, or wherever that you want to. So So basically we'll have a crosshair here. Wait, let me see if I have any crosshairs. I think I should have something. I have a lot of images, bro. Oh, apparently I don't. Okay. So yeah, you basically have a crosshair here, and you use that to shoot a ray, and wherever it hits, you should probably draw a line. There's something called as line renderer, so you use that. It's just for now, temporary purposes. Yeah, so you use a line renderer, and you get that, and pressing a button should reel you in. So there's couple of ideas and mechanics that we need to work on, and one of them is you'll be able to so you have two lines, right? So you can shoot a line and release a line. So that's one thing, you can shoot and release. So basically when you shoot, a line goes and attaches somewhere, and that's it, and you release it, the line releases and it comes back to you. The other thing is you shoot, it goes and attaches, and then you hit a separate button where it reels you in. So it slowly reels you in, and yeah, that is one mechanic where you'll be able to shoot, reel in, and then release. Yeah. And then what else? Come on. And yeah, there is the gas mechanic where you'll be able to boost yourself up, left, right, back. I haven't exactly thought how that is going to happen, but yeah, you'll be able to boost yourself through gas in various directions. It'll just give you an impulse boost. So once you attach yourself somewhere and boost, you'll just, like you attach yourself somewhere and you boost that way. So you just do this and go that way, so there is that. And there's something else. What is it? So this attaching, reeling in, release, boost. Yeah, there's a mechanic for see, this is just looking around, right? So what we're doing here is we're just looking around. So you just, with your head, you're just doing this. Yeah, with your head you're just doing this, but that is that all we want? No, we do want the twist too. So how are we going to control this twist? So how do we control this twist is something that we need to start looking into. Obviously, since we have removed the wonk, there is no twist. This twist is not there. But when there was a wonk, that twist did exist. So is there a way to control the wonk, or is there a way to control your body itself? So rather than twisting your head, you twist your entire body, because either way you're in the air, right? Most of the time you're in the air. So once you're in the air, you should somehow be able to roll over your body in some fashion or some form. So yeah, that is something that is in thoughts. So that is a mechanic. And yeah, these mechanics should be made pretty in depth. You cannot just have infinite gas should be in bursts. There should be a time limit or a burnout time for gas. And how fast is your reeling? Can you do you tap it faster to reel it faster, or do you just hold it to reel it faster? Things like that, you just have to think of all the possibilities and things that you need to that you can do. So see, when you attach to something, and then you boost yourself from the back, so you're going to spin this way, right? But when you spin this way, you have to be looking upside down. You cannot be looking the same direction, if you know what I mean. Like, you cannot rotate this way, you have to rotate this way. So yeah, things like that needs to be like done in a proper. For example, now if I made this camera part of the capsule, yeah, so I'm looking around freely, but I also have my capsule which can rotate around and still look around. You see, that's what I want. So just turn this back to 0, and I do, okay, see, I'm looking around there, and I just do this. Look at this. This is not good. Look, even though my bean is turning, my camera is still straight. That's because of how my code runs, because this is just how it controls. You get it? I get it. But this is not how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to work differently. It's supposed to look around like this. Okay, we have some stuff to do, bro. We have lots of stuff to do. This is going to be a challenge. This is definitely going to be a challenge. I think one of the main challenges that I'm going to face is that I have to do this every night, and I am tired as the fuck every night. Yeah, I'm already sleepy. Okay, we'll end it here for today. We have a couple of challenges to do. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, but the next time we stream, it's going to be okay, so there's two things that we can work on. One is the camera movement, like the way you look around, which is a bit boring, but yeah, we can do that. But and another thing is hooking and reeling in. That is the next thing. My suggestion for myself would be the plan of action would be to probably get finished with the camera part. So if once we fix the way the camera works and get it ready so that it works in the way we want it to, then I think going forward with the reeling part, yeah, the shoot and reel part, the hook and grab part, I think should do good. I think it's best if we finish up with the camera, like the way we look and the few things that are wrong with it. Obviously this code is just really simple, just like it really has nothing to it, but yeah, this will get big, this will get very big very soon. Yeah, so don't be very naive looking at this. This is going to go quite a couple of lines, bro, probably hundreds of lines. Yeah, so we'll see how this turns out. So yeah, the next theme is going to be working on the camera part and the way the player is going to look. And for now, yes, it's just going to be a bean. We're just going to play around with the bean and then look into ragdoll physics and things like that. But for now, no, it's just going to be it's just going to be a plain bean. I think that's the best that we can do. We can probably change it's easier to deal with mass and inertia and center of gravity and stuff like that with the bean, rather than an actual human model. You don't even, and that's partly the reason why I decided to go with first person, because you just don't have to worry about things like that. So yeah, we'll just stick on to this bean. The next stream we'll work on the camera part and make it look good and the way it works. So yeah, it's just a short 1 hour stream, mainly discussing about what we actually wanted to do and the ideas that I had and what we are going to do. The way I explained it was very quick, but it's something in my imagination, right? And I know that I can imagine that this is going to be really good, because I know, like, I can understand how it's going to look and how it's going to feel. So I'm just unable to express it in a way that that is understandable. So yeah, we'll see on the next theme. You need to name this guy though. You just need to name this guy. Any suggestions would be good. We need to name this guy, because he's probably going to be here for a long time. We need to name this guy. Okay, so yeah, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Drink water. Peace out. I'm staying after a long time. Listen, I'm just doing something. So yeah, peace, take care, drink water, peace out, good night, until next time, bro. Until next time.